Hi everyone, this is a Eurospec 6-pin Euro. That's the bitting. Lock turns nice and smoothly. I'll try and SPP this. You can. I'll just show you first. It's quite easy to rake. I don't know how so much luck with the SPPing, so okay, so that's raked just in a few goes. It's using a worm rake. Let's see if I can SPP it. That kind of quick time for the rake suggests it's standard pins. I'm not very good at picking standard pin locks. I have to say I like that feedback that you get from spools and the like. This one, there isn't really much in the way of feedback. Okay, there's a little bit of feedback there. You can feel the pins setting. There we go. It's picked open, but yeah, a long wait to get any feedback from that lock. Alright, let's have a look at the innards. I'll put the key back in. Be on the safe side. Oops. Let's leave it on one side. Looks like it's going to be a messy gutting, folks. Okay, pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. More standard key pins, as you would expect. That's just an anti-drill pin. Right, so they came out of chamber 1. Oh dear, I'm making a hash of this. Not standard pins, thankfully. It doesn't matter. So anyway, yes, all standard pins, as I suspected. Nice little, fine little springs. So that would make quite a good base for a a challenge lock, I reckon. They're quite close together, aren't they, the chambers there. No kind of modification to those. And yeah, I'd say reasonably good tolerances in these Eurospec locks. Get you a bit closer on those, they are just standard pins.